When it comes to maintaining a comfortable home, the impact of your doors is often underestimated. However, energy-efficient door replacements can significantly improve your home's energy usage and comfort, all while reducing your carbon footprint. In a place like Lexington, where temperatures fluctuate from hot summers to cold winters, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is an investment that pays off year-round. Here are some of the top benefits of replacing your old doors with energy-efficient options in Lexington. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits of installing energy-efficient doors is the reduction in your energy bills. Older doors, particularly those that are poorly insulated, allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to escape during the summer. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. By replacing your doors with energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your home. Energy-efficient doors are designed to provide superior insulation. They are typically constructed with advanced materials like insulated cores, weather stripping, and low emissivity, low E, glass, which help prevent drafts and heat loss. The better the door seals and insulates, the less energy your heating and cooling systems need to use, resulting in lower utility bills. Increased comfort. Energy-efficient doors not only save money but also enhance your home's comfort. Drafts and temperature fluctuations can make your living spaces uncomfortable, especially in a climate like Lexington's, where extreme weather is common. Whether it's the biting cold of winter or the sweltering heat of summer, an old door can allow the elements to creep in, affecting the overall temperature of your home. Energy-efficient doors are designed to maintain a stable indoor environment. Their superior insulation properties help keep the temperature consistent throughout the year. This means fewer hot or cold spots in your home, allowing you to enjoy a more comfortable living space without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Enhanced curb appeal. In addition to the practical benefits, energy-efficient doors can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're looking for a sleek, modern design or a more traditional look, energy-efficient doors come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes. Replacing old, worn-out doors with new, stylish models can instantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to visitors and potential buyers. If you're considering selling your home in the future, energy-efficient doors are an attractive selling point. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their energy consumption and carbon footprint, and an energy-efficient door replacement can set your home apart from others on the market. Reduced environmental impact. Energy-efficient doors play a significant role in reducing your household's environmental impact. By using less energy to heat or cool your home, you are contributing to a reduction in overall energy consumption. This helps decrease the demand for fossil fuels used in electricity generation, which, in turn, reduces greenhouse gas emissions. In Lexington, where residents are increasingly conscious of their ecological footprint, making environmentally responsible choices like replacing doors with energy-efficient options can align with sustainability goals. Not only are you saving money and improving comfort, but you're also doing your part to protect the environment for future generations. Increased home value. If you're looking to make a long-term investment in your property, energy-efficient door replacements can increase the overall value of your home. Home buyers are more inclined to invest in properties that offer energy-saving features, as they know they'll benefit from lower energy costs and improved comfort. Replacing your old doors with high-performance energy-efficient models can increase the marketability of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers who are looking for sustainable and cost-effective living solutions. Plus, it shows that you've maintained your home well, which can boost the overall value of the property. Improved security. Modern energy-efficient doors are not only well insulated but also designed with enhanced security features. These doors are often made from durable materials like steel or reinforced fiberglass, which can provide greater protection against break-ins compared to older wooden doors. Many energy-efficient models also come with advanced locking systems, adding an extra layer of security for your home. For homeowners in Lexington, where safety and security are a priority, investing in a durable, energy-efficient door replacement is a smart decision that can provide peace of mind. Conclusion: energy-efficient door replacements offer a wide range of benefits for homeowners in Lexington. From reducing energy bills and increasing comfort to boosting curb appeal and improving security, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a decision that provides lasting value. With the added advantages of environmental sustainability and increased home value, it's clear that energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve their property's performance and appeal. Whether you're concerned about rising energy costs or simply want to enhance your home's overall efficiency, replacing your old doors with energy-efficient models is a step toward a more comfortable and sustainable future.